Alright guys, Shadi Saleh here from the onlinebusinessproject.com, and in this tutorial you're gonna learn how to set up your very first blog step by step. So first, we're gonna go ahead and purchase the domain name. We're gonna go and get hosting. I'm gonna show you how to create pages, how to create posts, how to customize your blog a little bit so that it would look much better. Second, we're going to talk about how you can start building a loyal following for you, something not a lot of people cover or teach, and it's directly related to the content of your blog. And there are two ways for creating good content and making people actually getting back to your blog and reading your stuff while building this loyal following of yours. So it's either you get to know your audience well, get back to them to know what they actually want or need, so that your content would be around their want and need, so that you're giving info about it. Or either you reverse engineer your competitors or any other successful blog that you've been following for quite some time. And what I mean by reverse engineer is that you search what is the most successful blog posts for such blogs, and you reverse engineer this content. And what I mean by reverse engineer is that you don't get to copy it. You just put your own version of it. You make it look better in your own way. You don't want to copy that. You don't want to copy it so that you don't get yourself in trouble and get Google to ban your stuff. It is just that there's absolutely no need to reinvent the wheel. You just go out there, see what's working for people, and you just put your own version of it. Okay? And finally, I'm gonna show you how to monetize your blog, as it is also related to content creation, researching your audience, knowing your avatar, knowing what they need, giving them that information they want so that they would resonate with you and seek more information from you, and actually getting back to your blog. So basically, the first step of our process of getting our website online is getting a web host. Now, a web host is basically where all your files are stored, where you upload your websites, where you upload your images, and that's how everything shows up online. So I've tried several web hosting companies other than Bluehost, but Bluehost has been the most reliable for me. Now, the number one reason I'm recommending it to you is that you want a web host that you can actually grow with. So as you are building your website, as you're building your brand, you get more traffic. So you're gonna need to get a web hosting package that can handle that kind of traffic. But if you're just starting out, you don't have to worry about that right now. And the other great thing about Bluehost is that you get to choose a free domain name. So know what you've got to do. Just go ahead and click the link below the video, and it's gonna bring you to this page. Okay, as you can see, to start up, it's just $3.95 a month. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the sign up button. I'm gonna select the starter package. If you're just starting out, you don't need any of the advanced options. Just a simple $3.95 a month is gonna be all you need. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and enter a domain name. And this is the other great thing that I was telling you about Bluehost compared to other web host providers, is that you are going to need to buy a domain name from a separate place like GoDaddy or Namecheap, compared to Bluehost, where you actually gonna get a free domain name when you sign up. So let's try something like this. Okay, sounds like the domain name that I chose is not available, so we can just any random one. I'm gonna choose this one. Alright, and then you get to do is complete this sign up form. An email will be sent to you with the logins for the Bluehost back office. This is some options if you want. Domain privacy protection. What it basically is, when you have an online website, some of the information, some people just prefer to keep them private. So so if you don't want to share the information about yourself, you're gonna click that. You can choose that. It's just 83 cents a month. Site Backup Pro, you're just gonna, it's another service. We're just gonna be backing up all the information on your blog. If you want that, you can check it too. Site log domain, security. Honestly, I'm not using any of this. If you want, just go ahead and click them. They are not so much a year. And then you're gonna go ahead and click next. Okay, and like I told you, an email will be sent to you with the logins for the Bluehost back office, and it's gonna look something like this when you log into the back office of Bluehost. And as you can see on the screen, you have a lot of options, but don't really pay attention to all of that. You're not going to need to deal with all of that. A lot of people just get overwhelmed when they first log into the back office, and there is absolutely no point, as you won't be using this stuff if you're not much of a techie like me. So the next thing is just to go ahead and click website, and this where you're basically gonna set up your WordPress. And WordPress, what it basically is, it is the blog building tool that you're going to need. So I'm gonna use WordPress. And now that your WordPress is installed, you're gonna go ahead and press install. And now that your WordPress is installed, we will need to log into the back office of the WordPress to start editing and posting content. And it's gonna look something like this. Another way to easily log into the WordPress back office is just, you're gonna type in your address, alright, and then /wp-admin, and then you press enter. It's gonna bring you to this page. This is okay, and once you're logged into the back office of your WordPress, you're gonna have posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugin, users, tools. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up some of these options from the back end of your WordPress. First, we're going to be talking about the themes. You have free themes and you have custom themes. And my advice to you, if you're just starting out and don't have the money to invest in a customized premium theme, then you just go ahead and use one of the free stock themes by WordPress. Alright, and don't use the other free ones, as they might not be updated. The coding may be not that great, or having any kind of technical problem. So just stick to the WordPress stock ones. So we're gonna go to appearances, gonna go to themes. Right. Now you have a few different themes to choose by default. This is Genesis. My blog, the Online Business Project, is actually on Genesis. You will not see it when you log in. This is a premium custom theme. You will have 2014, 2013, 2012. Just go ahead and choose from one of these. If it was me, I would just choose one of these default themes if until I have the money. However, if you have got the money and want to get a premium theme, there are two premium themes out there that I really recommend, and they are Genesis, like the one like I told you, the online business project. My blog actually on Genesis is built on Genesis, which is made by Studio Press, and there is also one called Thesis, which is made by DIY. They are both really popular and they are both really friendly too. So we are going to, if you want to choose further themes, you're gonna go ahead and press add new theme. But again, I'm not gonna advise you to do that. Just use the ones from the before screen. Like I told you, most of these themes may have a problem in the coding. Maybe not the maybe they're not updated. So again, if you're just starting out, just go ahead and use one of the default themes I showed you before. If you want to customize your options a little bit, you can choose from here what options would you need in the theme. You're just gonna click custom colors, custom menu. Alright, 2 columns. Okay, and then we're gonna hit apply filters, and then it's going to go and pull out from the database all the different themes to choose from them. Okay, like I told you again, I just wanna emphasize on this. If you're just starting out and if you have if you don't have the money to invest in any of the two premium themes, just go ahead and use the stock ones. The two premium themes that I really recommend are Genesis and Thesis. So now if you want to add a premium theme, you will go to add new. I'm gonna go ahead to add new, and then we'll simply hit choose file. Alright, and then you're gonna go ahead and click choose file, so that when you buy a premium theme, it's gonna give you a downloadable zip file. Okay, then all you need to do is to find that zip file that you downloaded. Okay, you just hit upload. Okay, so with Genesis, in the process of setting it up, you will need to upload and install the framework first. Then you go ahead and upload the theme next. So it's going to be, the process is in 2 steps. You're gonna upload and install the framework first, and then you go ahead and upload the theme next. Okay, when you purchase the Genesis theme, after uploading and installing the framework, you will get to choose from different themes to upload and install them. However, with the Thesis framework, you don't get to do that. You will just upload one single file and then you're good to go. Okay, so what I want to tell you right now is, don't get too worked up. This is just the basic setup. We will go ahead and customize it a bit to make it look better. And as you can see, Genesis is a mobile responsive framework. Let me show you real quick. Okay, as you can see, it's mobile responsive. So whether this is an iPad, this is an iPhone, it doesn't matter. It will show up on people's phones, smartphones. So whether you're building this for yourself or you're building it for a client, you have a theme that's gonna fit all the way around. All right. So now what we've got to do is go ahead and customize this to make it look a bit better. So now what I want you to do is to put a heavy focus on building your email list. And what I want you to understand that no matter what niche you're in, people can get to your blog if they are not interested, or even if they are actually interested and they don't save your blog or bookmark it, they're not gonna come back. They will forget all about you and go to any other site or marketer out there, and you don't want that to happen. So you need to get them on your email list. Put a heavy focus on building this list. So right now I'm going to show you how you can set up an opt-in form on your blog from your autoresponder. I'm using GetResponse. I've used them since the day I started. They are the #1 choice to go with when it comes to building a long-term business and building a big email list. They also offer a free 30 days trial to get started for new customers, and this trial account actually gives you all the benefits of a normal account, and gives you time to actually try it. So we are gonna go to widgets, appearance, and then widgets. Okay, and then gonna press the primary sidebar. Okay, and then we are gonna bring this text it's just a drag and drop system. Okay, now we're going to create a web form. Okay, so we have all these different forms to choose from. So maybe you can use this one. This color will match our blog. Okay, and you just play with it a bit just to customize it. Maybe you resize it, make it a little bit bigger. Alright, we don't need the footer. We're just gonna cancel out some of this stuff. You just need it to be good looking and simple as possible. Okay. And then you edit what's the text on it. Maybe subscribe to my email list to get okay, and then we're good to go. Okay, and we're gonna press next step. Okay, and then what you need to do is to choose a custom thank you page. I always like to choose a custom thank you page because I like to direct people always back to my blog. Gonna press here. Okay, gonna hit next. Okay, and you're gonna get to grab the HTML code. This is the code that you need. Okay, we're gonna copy all of that out. I'm gonna copy, and then we're gonna get back to our widgets in this text widget that we just put. I'm gonna paste that here. I'm gonna hit save. Okay. this saved. Okay, so when we refresh, our actual blog is supposed to pop up here on the right. Yes, it's right here. Okay, so now after setting up our opt-in form here on the side, and then we will get to set up a user profile. Also in the widgets, we're gonna drag and drop from the widgets Genesis user profile. Gonna put him, we want it to be over. Okay, and as you can see here, there's something called Gravatar size, and what Gravatar actually is, it's a service. So they save all your info along with a small picture of yours, so that when you're commenting in the future in any blog or any website online, they go ahead and pull out your data with your picture. You don't have to every time you log in to edit your stuff. So this is what it looks like. Whenever you're posting, whenever you're commenting on any blog, your picture will pop up. You don't need to edit it. You just go ahead to Gravatar, make a free sign up account. Just sign up and you're on. Okay, so we're gonna here large. Okay, title. My name is I teach email marketing, Facebook marketing, and building your brand. Okay, and I'm gonna hit save. Okay, gonna refresh that, and it's right here. Okay, so now after we got the user profile box set up, we're gonna go ahead and plug in our social media icons. So we will go to the back office again. Okay, we will go to plugins right here. Okay, and we're gonna get add new. Okay, and then just type in here DigDig. Okay, and what DigDig is, it's a very popular social media bar, so that whenever you have a great content on your blog, you're actually making it really easy for people to share it. So I guess I already got DigDig set up. Yes, it's here. And after setting it up, it will appear here on the left. Just click on it to install it on your blog. Okay, you're just gonna type in your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your Twitter username, all of that info they're gonna need, and you're ready to go. You're just gonna hit save changes after you're done. Okay, and then when you get back to your blog, okay, okay, and it's here, right there. Okay, so now for more customization, just go over to plugins and play with it a bit. It's really easy, don't overcomplicate stuff. So now in the next step, I'm gonna show you how you can post pages and posts and start using your blog and getting some content on it. Okay, so what is basically the difference between posts and pages? They are basically the same. The only difference is that pages are static. They don't get to move like posts. So that when you publish a new post, it will replace the old post, taking its place, and so on. I'm gonna show you a live example how. Just bear with me for a minute. And here. Sorry. Okay, right here, you're gonna get back to the dashboard. You're gonna go to posts. You're gonna add new. I'm gonna okay, and now you're just gonna type in the post. If you don't have all of these icons that you're gonna need in writing, just press this toolbar toggle. Okay. Whatever you're gonna write, and then my advice to you is not to publish anything right away. Just save draft. Okay, always don't publish it right away. Save draft. We're gonna click preview afterwards to check how it's gonna look, if it is okay to publish or not. Okay. Okay, and if we check publish, so if we're back to our home page, supposedly the new, yes, like I told you, this new post will replace the old one, but the pages are static right here, and they don't move, and you can find them just right below the logo. I'm gonna show you how to also post some pages. Okay, maybe yes, add new. Okay. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that you don't want to mess with this part right here. There's something called visual and there's something called text. So you don't have anything to do with the text format, as it is an HTML coding format, unless you know what you're doing, or you know HTML coding actually. Other than that, just stick to the visual format. Okay. And right here, okay, I'm gonna hit publish just to show you. And then We're gonna go ahead and create pages and the navigation. So we're gonna go to the appearance, okay, menus, okay, and you're gonna type here the menu name, home, okay, and then press links right here, okay, and to create a home button so that when people click the home button, it will take them back to the main page of your blog. So what you want to do is go to your main page on your site, copy the link of your main page right here, copy, then you get back here. This is how to create a home button. Then you paste this URL, okay, okay, and then add to menu, okay, and then you click primary navigation, okay. If you want you can add this to the menu. You just click it and then just add it to menu, okay, and then you just save menu, okay, and then when you're back to your main page, when you just refresh it, right here you have this test page that we just created will appear right here, okay. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and talk soon. Cheers, bye.